architectures, mostly terracotta was used, and in the center, the paddy roof style known as the chala, we call it dochala. Even mosques were built with terracotta. Dakshineshwar temple at the bottom left, here you can see some towers. Temples were known according to the number of towers. Some were Pancharatna, some were Navaratna. Under the European influence, that is the center below picture, town hall based on column. That is known as Doric style. And also at the right bottom, Hajarduari Palace of Murshidabad. That architectural design is of Palladian style.
Now, here are some paintings. At the left top, there is the miniature painting from Pala era. Next, at the middle, here we are seeing the Chal Chitra pot, which is um, which is kept behind the idol during Durga Puja. And next, at the right top, there is some tribal painting from Midnapur district, and also there are tribal paintings at the right bottom. And the last, but not the least, there is the painting of Bharat Mata, which evoked nationalism, painted by famous painter Abanindranath Tagore, who was the founder of Bengal School of Art.
Now you will see a dance performance where few boys will tease few girls. They want the girls to dance with them. But the question is, will the dance agree? Now this sort of pranks are universal. But the way we will show you will represent our Bangaliana.
सुहाग चाहत बदनी धनी नाचत देखी सुहाग चाहत बदनी धनी नाचत देखी पाला नाचत देखी पाला नाचत देखी पाला नाचत देखी सुहाग चाहत बदनी धनी नाचत देखी सुहाग चाहत बदनी धनी नाचत देखी पाला नाचत देखी पाला नाचत देखी पाला नाचत देखी सुहाग चाहत बदनी धनी नाचत देखी सुहाग चाहत बदनी धनी नाचत देखी নাচেন ভালো সুন্দরী বাঁধেন ভালো চুল নাচেন ভালো সুন্দরী বাঁধেন ভালো চুল হেলিয়া দুলিয়া পরে হেলিয়া দুলিয়া পরে নাকেশ্বরের ফুল বালা হেলিয়া দুলিয়া পরে নাকেশ্বরের ফুল বালা নাকেশ্বরের ফুল সুহাগ চাহত বদনি ধনি নাচত দেখি সুহাগ চাহত বদনি ধনি নাচত দেখি পালা নাচত দেখি পালা নাচত দেখি পালা নাচত দেখি सुहाग चाहत बदनी धनी नाचत देखी सुहाग चाहत बदनी धनी नाचत देखी
Please stay at your seat. You have other